Jai Hind everyone. My lecture topic for today is Self-Reliant India or Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends, Atmanirbhar Bharat is a scheme launched by the Government of India in the year 2020. Friends, basically it aims India to make a self-reliant and a self-dependent country. It means that India will not be dependent on any other country for any type of resources. Instead, India will be developing and working on its skills of self-dependency. All despite participating in the global economy, and India will be active in the global meetings. Friends, talking about the develop areas of development and how government will be promoting it. So, talking about the defense development, friends, government is supporting the defense equipment very much because the fighter jets and defense missile systems like LCD, light combat helicopters, Apache, BrahMos missile. So these are the things which are actually working on, and this will be strengthening our defense system more and making India a self-reliant country. India will not be dependent on any other country on the defense products. And talking about the minerals and resources. So basically, India is trying to establish the type of technology which will help, which will make the ease in extracting the minerals and resources from the earth, which will be helpful. Friends, also India is working on the skill-based programs and the Startup India program, Skill India mission. So basically, this will help to promote the innovation in India, which will directly help India to boost the economy and made its own products. India is also working on its manufacturing part in the roads, in buildings. India is working on the materials, and also we have seen that agriculture is also benefited by this because India is working on its own fertilizers and also the technology of disaster prediction and weather prediction. So this will directly benefit the farmers. Friends, apart from this, government is also supporting many initiatives like Digital India scheme and Skill India mission, Startup India mission. So these are the schemes which are basically supporting the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Also in the COVID-19 times, we have seen that India was ready to prepare its own vaccine, and India has prepared its own vaccine, which show that how India is working and progressing over the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends, apart from this, there are some challenges. Challenges like lack of funding, lack of decision making, and in some scenarios, like no proper funds and money available, and no skill development is still exists. So these are the challenges which are still exist. So friends, in conclusion, I want to say that Atmanirbhar Bharat is something which is like a very essential for India for like boosting its economic growth as well as like strengthening the nation's security and helping its youth to gain more jobs and opportunity. So definitely, if the skills will be supported in India, if India will be working on the skills, startups, and these type of activities, so definitely the youth will be supporting. And thank you everyone. Jai Hind.